Elon Musk, possibly the most epic and most rare person to walk on Earth. There are companies that want to accelerate advent of sustainable transport, send 1 million humans to Mars, build a wireless brain-computer interface, build bores to solve congestion, use solar energy, and so much more. So when I saw that Elon Musk had just tweeted pictures of book covers 20 seconds ago, I immediately moved my hand 20 cm to the right, picked up my phone and shared a GME meme that I saw on Wall Street Bets. Then boom, Elon Musk replied to this tweet with this emoji. My dopamine rush was activated and I spent an hour staring at my screen, watching the number of likes and followers increase faster than GameStop stock at pre-market, which had just opened 4 minutes ago. Also, I tried to get free karma at Wall Street Bets but failed. Then saw my tweet on the front page of Wall Street Bets and took a nap. Also, disclaimer,
I'm not a cat.
I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment purposes only. The past 24 hours have been insane, with the tweet now being seen by over 300,000 people, which is just crazy to think about. And many more people found this channel and my Twitter account because of this, so thank you. So now let's talk about GME. So GameStop shares went to almost $500 in January of 2021, and as someone who's been reading Wall Street Bets every day for the past 6 months, I entered at the peak, grew diamond hands, and even made a meme video about GME. Then I saw this epic meme posted by u/flippingrich which summed up the entire market. All the indexes such as the Dow Jones, S&P 500 and Nasdaq were falling, but GME was increasing by 20-30%. Also, I found u/flippingrich in the comments of this post, and he basically gave me the highest honor and respect a fellow Wall Street Bets user can give to one another. So now why is GME increasing again? Haven't the shorts already been covered and the squeeze has been squashed? Although Melvin Capital has already said they covered their shorts, based on posts that I've upvoted on Wall Street Bets that support my confirmation bias, here's a summary. The shorts have not stopped yet. Apparently the hedge funds are continuing to short GME, not through GME itself, but through ETFs that contain GME. So the squeeze has not been squashed, apparently. Number 2 is a pattern. And if you have been following GME for the past couple of weeks, you would have seen something very similar. Actually, the past 2 days' rise in GameStop, in the after hours and pre-market, is actually quite similar to what happened in January. In fact, the prices nearly align as mentioned by this user, and since the first 2 days of the February rise was higher than in January, it means that stocks only go up and that $1,000 is not a meme. Then we have confirmation bias. This one thing we love is confirmation bias, and apparently GME's short interest is continuing to increase. Here we can see that the number of shares available for short selling has gone from 2 million to now only 450,000 shares at a 9% borrow rate. And the last time that there was less than 500,000 shares to be shorted was on January 27. We saw huge swings that day. The market closed around $150 and it shot up to $350 per share. Then we have GME as a hedge. A couple of days ago, people would have told you to buy VIX as a hedge against the market. But now you can just use GME. Because as we have noticed, when the indexes fall, GME continues to increase. And this user managed to find a pattern which explains to us what is going on. So basically you can use the stock market as hedge against the stock market. So if GME increases to $1,000, the entire stock market and indexes and every other stock will fall, but at least you can go on Wall Street Bets and look at all the meme videos and battle montages. And the most important part is the FOMO you feel after the Tendy Man has sent a rocket into the sun and people have taken their gains and gone. Also, if you sell GME, you're basically allowing the hedge funds to cover their shorts. So apes together strong. I hope this video was useful, and thanks Elon for exposing my YouTube channel to my school. You can check out this GME meme video that I made and learn about investing here. Also, as this poster has been sitting on my desk for the past few months, stocks only go up until they don't.
There once was a stock that put to sea. The name of the stock was GME. The price blew up and the shorts dipped down. Hold my bully boys, hold.